Hey, welcome back to our Monday Live with MJ and attorney 𝗟𝗏𝘆, where we kick off the week on a brighter side. In under 10 minutes, we will master a simple and less costly therapy for better you and me.
Today we wanted to have a conversation with you about the 5 T's of therapy: transcendence, trauma, transformation, treatment, and togetherness. How does therapy look in spiritual, emotional, physical, and social aspects of our lives?
Before we dive into these 4 different aspects, where did the word therapy come from? It came from the Greek word 𝗓𝗶𝘃, which means healing or curing. It was derived from 𝗓𝗵𝗄𝑛, meaning to attend to serve, or to treat medically. Originally, therapy referred broadly to the act of caring for or providing service, often implying devotion or attention, whether in the context of medicine or spiritual guidance.
Spiritually, ancient Greeks believed in a holistic approach to wellness, where the soul and the body were interconnected. In many religious traditions, such as early Christianity, healing was also seen as a divine act, where therapy could be taking the form of prayer, rituals, or miracles, restoring a person's spiritual, emotional, and physical well-being. Over time, religious therapy evolved into pastoral counseling, which still emphasizes the connection between faith and healing today. What was our first keyword? Transcendence. This therapy goes beyond emotional and mental healing, seeking the highest form of treatment from our omnipotent, omniscient, and omnipresent God.
Emotionally, we all have some form of emotional baggage, right? So whether it's losing a loved one, facing a breakup, childhood events that leave lasting scars. Trauma is something many of us face, a lingering emotional scars from the past. What inner strength or resources did you tap into to overcome your most traumatic experience? Have we intentionally caused emotional pain to someone else's? On a brighter note, are we catalysts for the transformation of others who are healing from their wounds? What are the 2 T's here? Trauma and transformation. Trauma isn't just about the wound. It's about the transformation that can follow. Sean, my husband, is the embodiment of that gift of transformation for me.
Wow, it feels awesome to know that I'm part of a catalyst crew. Physically, we agreed that we are all here together to help heal and not hurt each other, right? Humans, animals, living, and non-living. Are we dedicated to our daily exercise and healthy eating habits, or are we so clocked into work or attending meetings that bring in money? 𝗏𝗏𝗄𝗃 states, time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. And once you've lost it, you can never get it back. Same with our gift of health, body and mind. Most of the time, we tend to spend our health building material wealth, and we only spend that wealth trying to regain our health. Treatment is our 4th T. Treat our bodies like royalty. Stay healthy and wealthy.
I love it. And finally, we have social therapy, where togetherness plays a crucial role. Therapy, particularly in a group setting, helps individuals build trust and form lasting relationships. There are so many of us nowadays who are isolated and lonely. I should say the most expensive therapy is free. Find a friend, preferably the ones who have positive outlook in life. Here at Check This Out 𝗏𝗏𝘆, we are your imperfect couple, but we strive hard to be that positive and sincere friends you're looking for. Sean and MJ, find a sense of community where togetherness really shines. It's all about building stronger connections with others. So what's the 5th T? Togetherness.
We hope you gain a better picture of how therapy looks like in 4 main aspects of our lives: spiritually, emotionally, physically, and socially.
Stay tuned for more life-changing conversation next week. See you next time. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.